I'm Kelly Willis, and I own Willis Aerial Imagery. Thank you for joining us, and I'd like to introduce you to my hardworking team who works behind the scenes to make things happen. To my immediate left is Kelly Willis. He's the pilot. I am Kelly, and I'm the remote pilot for Willis Aerial Imagery. I take safety first, especially after the accident. Let's see. And then next we have Kelly Willis. He's the editor. I'm Kelly, and I make sure all of your photos and videos look great. I also spend a lot of time in the basement. Great. And then last but not least is Kelly Willis, the marketer. Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm the marketer. I make sure Willis Aerial Imagery gets out to the public and whoever wants our services. Thank you, everybody. And thank you for joining us. See Willis Aerial Imagery for all of your imagery needs. Have a great day.